How to install the bamboo shield to control bamboo. Are you tired of dealing with bamboo in your yard? Preventing the spread of bamboo is easier than you may think. Bamboo shield utilizes high-density polyethylene in 60 mil thickness or greater to control bamboo and remove the need for constant maintenance. Metal barriers rust and concrete cracks. High-density polyethylene in thickness of 60 mil or greater has proven results in the containment of bamboo. Bamboo is a colony plant, and, left unchecked, the bamboo roots travel further than most people expect. Rhizome growth can extend outward the same distance as the cane grows tall. The above-ground growth represents only 50% of the total biomass. When bamboo becomes established, it can spread into unwanted areas. Root growth can occur much further out than the above-ground canes. Bamboo roots run parallel to the surface, typically the first 18 inches or less of the soil. To control the bamboo, you want to cut unwanted growth at ground level. Existing growth is woody and best removed with a saw. Any stumps will rot quickly if cut at ground level. Install bamboo shield to prevent the bamboo from returning. This is done by digging a trench along the desired controlled area. The bamboo shield is then installed in the trench with the shiny side towards the bamboo. It should be angled slightly outward so the bottom is closer and the top is farther away from the bamboo. Leave a 2-inch lip exposed above ground level. Next, mow or cut any residual bamboo shoots that emerge until the roots have exhausted their stored energy and die. Depending upon the size and maturity of the bamboo, this could take multiple growing seasons. Bamboo is now contained. Since Bamboo Shield is constructed from high-density polyethylene, it has a long lifespan. Without exposure to ultraviolet light, the barrier should last in excess of 100 years.